Hi there, we are all members of the Narne city and my friend
Brahmananda Swami,
Brahmananda Swami Garu and
myself Chandrasekhar,
Mr. Chandrasekhar,
Ashok.
Mr. Ashok and myself Fakir Yogi Brendra Yogi. Beloved friends, see these wonderful people, they have a lot of trust in the Narne city and so they invested their hard-earned money, but unfortunately the developer Mr. Karna Rangarao could not do justice to that. And so many miscalculated things happen, some Bhudan, some government and all these. So the reputation of this Narne city has sunk like anything else. Unfortunately, I can show you this was a park. Now it is the dirtiest place you can see. These poles were having live electricity, but now electricity has become things of the past. You will not have any light here. It's all saving money. They were something like 14 parks with fountain and all these greeneries all dried up. Everything is in a very mess. I appeal to the Narne city that my beloved friends who have trust in you,
come for a long
please be worthy of that. We are customers and you have put a beautiful board. Customer is the king. Without customers you could not become billionaire. Today you are billionaire, Mr. Rangarao. Anywhere in the neighboring village we go, your red poles are erected and there are some thousands and thousands of acres of land. I know Mr. Rangarao, Karna Rangarao, you have developed 2,000 acres plots. Do you like to buy any plot there, sir? Tell me.
No.
Because of the reputation?
No.
Did you suggest anyone to buy a plot there?
No.
Tell me, sir.
Not at
Mr. Ashok, tell me.
No, sir.
Sir, tell me.
So we are learning a lesson.
You have earned some money, but where is your future? Your image is sinking, Mr. Rao, I tell you honestly. The money you earned is from these friends who are innocent people. They are all retired people. They anticipated that tomorrow this city is going to be real Chandigarh of South, and then there is a future. Their children and great children will get some appreciation, but now the land is sold at 1,000 rupees or 500 yard. And neighboring Bibi Nagar it is sold 15 to 20,000 yard, and it is just adjoining. This is not much of a difference. Right to the occasion, Karna Rangarao. I am your best friend and you are my godfather. I always praise you from my heart, but you do justice. That is only my request to you. And I see a lot of hosts of friends are there. They are not. They are only one friends. They are not only one friends, but there are so many friends here. All these customers, they have some hopes, they have some dreams, and they have some ambition, but can you tell me, are you going to fulfill with that? These people are there. They are all your esteemed customers, and they have a lot of hopes and faith and trust in you, but where you are leading them, Honorable Karna Rangarao, my sister, my brother, and all these people, and the youngsters who have beautiful hopes. Tomorrow he is going to for honeymoon, but where is the money? Because he appreciated, his father or somebody invested here. There is no appreciation, and that was just because.
I saw you on YouTube.
And that was just because you didn't care of the East City and called Narne East City Chandigarh of South. But I can tell you the ghost city of the whole India. No city is as bad as this. You have no black top road.
Now. Otherwise, we didn't see
I
till
listen
now.
to my friend. What is your opinion? Honorable sir, your good name?
I am Sunil.
Mr. Sunil is such a nice person. He's serving the mankind with his different capacities. But tell me your opinion about Karna Rangarao East City. How do you find this city, sir? How do you find this city, sir?
As of now,
Nothing has happened.
we don't have any hope.
Don't have appreciation.
Further also, no hopes.
No park,
because
no light, no water supply.
Long time I have
nothing.
given a target for 30 years. That is passed. 10 years has passed. That 30.
So,
Now, another 20
Honorable
years
Karna
after that, I'll give
Rangarao,
you
this is
another-
Fakir Yogi, Brendra Yogi, appealing to you. You understand, Honorable Karna Rangarao? You cannot be happy in life unless you do justice to your profession and occupation. Another friend, sir, what's your good name?
I am Dr. Chari.
He is Dr. Chari. He has earned so much hard-earned money, treating patients since morning to evening, sometimes free, and his land is just barren, and it is a beautiful jungle.
Yeah, absolutely.
Dr.
Very
Chari,
green
Dr.
jungle.
Chari. Green jungle.
Clean and green jungle.
Green jungle. So thank you, Mr. Karna Rangarao. Still you have chance. My another great friend, sir, your good name?
Ravi Shankar.
Mr. Ravi Shankar, a divine person who always loves. That's why his name is also Ravi Shankar. Sri Jai Ravi Shankar. So Karna Rangarao, please write to the occasion. And lot host of friends. Thank you, Honorable Sir, for being a part of this video. It will be circulated and put in the, that you have a
in your
group.
group.
So put there, this is Fakir Yogi, Virendra Yogi, a true servant of the mankind.
You put Virendra, Colonel Virendra. Yogi.
No. You put Virendra DR channel. I'm a doctor, director for 108 services. I'm friend of Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy. I'm a tennis player basically, but I stay here because I love this place. The place is wonderful, no doubt about it.
Place,
But
that place is fine. Open
caring
space,
needs some
open
attention.
space.
Care
Minimum,
needs some attention.
Some minimum
You can't just think of return and no
minimum
investment.
facilities if
You
they are
can't
there.
just get a return, no investment. Thank you.